Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to check Mini Cooper transmission fluid. First, ensure your car is on a level surface and the engine has reached its normal operating temperature. This preparation is crucial for an accurate reading. You'll need to locate the transmission fluid dipstick, which is often brightly colored, usually yellow or red, for easy identification. Always consult your owner's manual for the precise location and specific instructions for your model. Before you begin, make sure your Mini Cooper's engine has warmed up for approximately 15 minutes. This helps the fluid expand to its normal operating volume. Park your vehicle on a completely level surface, then turn off the engine. Now, locate the transmission fluid dipstick. It's typically near the engine oil dipstick, but your owner's manual will confirm its exact position. Once prepared, carefully remove the transmission fluid dipstick. Use a clean, lint-free cloth to wipe it completely dry. Now, reinsert the dipstick fully into its tube until it's seated properly. Pull it out again and observe the fluid level. The fluid should fall between the min and max or full marks indicated on the dipstick. A healthy transmission fluid level will be within the designated range on the dipstick. If the fluid is low, it could indicate a leak, which requires immediate attention. Also, pay close attention to the fluid's condition. It should appear pinkish and almost clear. If it looks dark, muddled, or has a burnt odor, it's a sign that your transmission needs professional inspection and service.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.